Hi, what if I told you paradise is not a myth but it is an address? And this is Lodha Heaven right here in Hosa Road.
Paradise is not a destination, it is actually an address. Welcome to Lodha Heaven, one of most unique and talked about luxury lounges in Bangalore right now. Nestled on Hosa Road, right between Hosur Road and Sarjapur Road, beside the serene Chudasandra Lake, we from the Mani Consulting, and today I'm going to give you complete breakdown of location, design, amenities, floor plan, pricing, everything you need to know before making one of the smartest real estate decision of your life. Let's get into it. Before we talk about the project, let us talk about the name behind it, Lodha. This is the same developer behind Lodha Alamount, the finest residences on Mumbai's Billionaire Row. The same group that built Lodha World Towers, one of India's most iconic addresses, and the same group behind number 1 Grosvenor Square in London, the world's most desirable address. Lodha has 4 decades of experience in delivering world-class developments, and when they build in Bangalore, it is not just another project, it is a statement, and Lodha Heaven is exactly that. Now let us talk about the location, because this one is genuinely exceptional. Lodha Heaven is sitting perfectly between Hosur Road and Sarjapur Road, which puts you right in the heart of Bangalore's most powerful IT corridor. Just a short drive away, you have Electronic City, one of India's largest tech parks. You have Wipro, Microsoft Corporation, RMZ Eco World, Prestige Tech Park, Global Technology Park, Embassy Tech Village, and Cessna Business Park, all within easy reach. And it is not just about work. In the same neighborhood, you have Manipal Hospital and Narayana Multi-Speciality Hospital for your health needs. World-class schools like Orchards International School, Vibgyor High School, and the Cambridge International School literally at your doorstep. Shopping, fine dining, and retail therapy all minutes away. This is not just a great location today, this is a location that is going to become even more valuable every single year. Now let's talk about the project itself, because Lodha Heaven is truly unlike anything else on this corridor right now. The project is spread across 9 acres, and just like with all Lodha developments, 80% of the entire development is open space. But what makes Heaven completely unique is this: 6 full acres of that open space is dedicated forest, meticulously crafted using real trees and natural soil. This is not landscaping, this is not artificial green. Lodha has actually bought the forest for you, with all the breathtaking beauty and the oxygen-rich freshness of a real woodland created with real trees and real soil right inside your home. Tree-lined pathways, floral nooks, garden pavilions, and a beautiful tree house for your children, an elevated treetop walkway, a 500-meter walking track that rings the entire estate. And right beside the property, the beautiful Chudasandra Lake, giving you stunning water views from your home. The development has 6 towers, Tower A through F, each thoughtfully oriented to give you either stunning lake views or breathtaking forest views. As a consultant, I want to pause here and say a 9-acre development with 6 acres of lush man-made forest using real trees and natural soil, a lake right beside the property in the middle of Bangalore's IT corridor. This combination simply does not exist anywhere else in this market. This is genuinely rare product. Now let us talk about what life actually looks inside Lodha Heaven, because the amenities here are extraordinary. At the heart of the development is a 20,000 square feet plus grand clubhouse, your destination for everything from fitness to celebration. Start your day with a workout in the sprawling world-class gym with gleaming equipments and view of the forest around you. Then challenge a friend to a game of pickball, or head to the basketball court or multi-purpose sport lawn for some friendly competition. When you are ready to unwind, take a plunge in the temperature-controlled swimming pool and let the stress of the day simply dissolve. Lounge by the pool deck, let the little ones splash around in the dedicated kids pool while you relax. In the evenings, the clubhouse comes alive with a luxurious cafe, a grand banquet hall for celebration, and space for indoor games including table tennis, carom, and chess. And outside, the forest itself becomes your amenity. Walk the 500-meter forest trail, let your kids explore the treehouse and play village, sit quietly at the sitting terraces and breathe in the fresh, oxygen-rich air, which is a few degrees cooler inside Heaven than it is outside. This is not just a residential complex, this is a private garden estate where every single day feels like a holiday. Now let us step inside the homes, because the interiors match the extraordinary world outside. Full height floor to ceiling windows flood every room with natural light and fresh air. while your spacious sun deck frames either the glassy property or the lush forest like a living painting that changes every single day. The finishes are world class, imported marble flooring in the living, dining, and passage area, vertified tile flooring in the bedrooms, designer CP fittings, and sanitary ware from Collar and Grow in every bathroom. For your family's safety, a 5-tier security system covers everything: electronic vehicle access control, 24/7 CCTV monitoring, passenger elevator lobby, access control, video door phone, and a gas detector in every kitchen. Now, let us talk about what is available, because here is where your decision gets personal. Lodha Heaven offers a thoughtfully curated mix of residences across 6 towers: 3 BHK, 3 BHK with study in the both regular and luxury variant, 4 BHK with study and exclusive duplex apartment for those who want something truly one of a kind, 3 BHK with a generous living and dining of 22 feet by 17 feet, large sun decks and all the premium finishes we discussed, 3 BHK with study, regular and luxe with an expansive deck, premium lake or forest facing views, and dedicated study room perfect for those who work from home, 4 BHK with study featuring a massive living and dining at 22 feet by 18 feet, a massive dedicated puja room, staff room, walk-in wardrobe, and a master bedroom at 11 feet by 16 feet. This is the home for those who want absolutely no compromise, and the Dulux apartments with private garden views for those seeking an exclusive villa-like experience within a high-rise development. My honest consultant take: if you are buying this home, the 3 BHK with study lake facing unit is the absolute sweet spot. But if this is an investment, the 4 BHK with study is the one that will command the highest rental yield and the stronger resale premium over time. Now let us talk about the money, because this is what you are really here for. As Lodha Heaven is a new launch, you are entering at the best possible price point in the project's entire life cycle. And on Hosa Road specifically, situated between two of Bangalore's most powerful corridors, property values have been consistently appreciating at 8 to 12% every year. Now add to that Electronic City already at your doorstep and a Lodha brand address with a breathtaking forest and a lake right beside the property. This is the kind of asset that simply does not depreciate. Lodha Heaven, 9 acres, 6 acres of stunning forest with real trees and natural soil, Chudha Sindar Lake right beside the property, 6-tower, 20,000 square feet clubhouse, world-class amenities, and beautifully designed 3 BHK, 3 BHK with study, regular and luxe, 4 BHK with study, and exclusive duplex homes, all on Hosa Road, Bangalore. This is the project I'm personally recommending to every serious buyer and investor in my network right now. Drop a comment, send me a DM, or click the link in the description to schedule your free one-on-one consultation with the Mani Consulting, because at the end of the day, paradise is not just an idea. At Lodha Heaven, it is your address.